Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back. My name is Armin Jamali, the Roblox elevator fan, and today we are here at the River Park Apartments in Roblox. Let's ride the elevators with Building A first. Six is locked. See? Now let's go to Building B. Oh. Six. There's the sixth floor. Alright. Moving on to Building C. This was really a short video. Seven. Here we are on 7. This is the view. And the top floor is the 8th floor, which is locked. But if you have an apartment, you can get access to a full view balcony. But let's just go back down. This is a newer KONE. Alright, that is all for today. I know this video was quick, but there were so many, it was very fast. There were very less elevators, but, hold on, let me just move away. This guy's trying to disturb me. But thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. This was a really quick video, and peace.